Welcome back to another episode of Cybercast by AtNet. Today we are discussing World Backup Day, step-by-step guide to data security. Imagine sitting down at your computer to find your files vanished. Research shows almost 70% of small businesses close within a year of a major data loss. Joel K. Soseby, director of sales at AtNet, states, "The absence of a backup strategy isn't just risky, it's an open invitation to data disaster." World Backup Day, held annually on March 31st, reminds us to secure our digital lives. Backing up your data means having a second copy of important files. Options include external hard drives and cloud storage, ensuring your data is safe from unforeseen events like hardware failure, cyber attacks, or accidental deletions. Ignoring backups can lead to irreversible data loss, costing thousands to millions of dollars. For a comprehensive backup strategy, identify critical files, choose between physical and cloud-based tools, and set a backup schedule. Regularly test backups to ensure reliability and educate your team on backup policies. Embrace a hybrid approach, combining both physical and cloud backups for optimal security. Join us in observing World Backup Day by exploring new backup services, checking current backups, and ensuring data security. Let this day be a catalyst for your commitment to protecting your digital assets. Looking for an in-depth perspective? You can read the entire article on our website. And don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for more tips and insights.